Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have a very exciting unboxing. I know that whenever I unbox something regarding filming and making videos, you guys become so excited and interested because I know how much you guys love my content, and I get a lot of questions: what stand I use, what camera I use. I get these questions all the time, but today we have something from NEEWER. So today we have this little box from NEEWER. You guys know NEEWER has like all those beautiful, like very good quality stands, very good quality products for making films and videos. So they have like different camera stands, lights, and microphones, and all the stuff that you need for making vlogs and filming. So today I have something here. I'm so excited about this one. From the box, you already know it says Universal Phone Cage Kit. So we are going to unbox it together, but before that I want to tell you this is a phone cage kit. Thank you NEEWER for partnering up with me in today's video, so we can actually start using a phone cage kit for my vlogs. And also you guys will love this thing so much because I know most of us these days use our phones to make videos, and this is so convenient. How many times you guys actually take your camera? Like for vlogging, I rarely take my camera out because it is never convenient. With a big camera and big lens, it is not convenient, especially when I travel. I need these guys, and I haven't used any proper phone cage kit or any kind of, I just had like different kinds of stands. I bought so many, but never find anything really useful because I need a microphone, I need some lights and everything, even when I use my camera, like my phone camera. So today we are going to unbox this together and see what we have here and how much useful is that. So now we're going to see, let's unbox this here. It looks so gorgeous. Wow, there's so many things comes here. I need to educate myself actually how to use it. And so this is the actual stand, and there is a manual where I can read what to do. So here comes all those things, and we're going to see. Okay, so now we are going to mount everything, attach everything to each other. You see all those parts here. So this actually gives you, so this is the main part, and then you have these sides where you can actually, it helps you, like if you go through the manual, so you can actually attach your microphone, your light. And also the good thing about this is that you can change your height, so any phone would fit here, like according to your phone size you can change the height and the length. And also it gives you the option to make a video both in vertical and horizontal, which is very important. With a lot of my, like in the past I wasted so much money on buying different kind of those different stands, different selfie stand, different kind of gimbals, but it's so hard. Like vertical is fine, a lot of them doesn't do horizontal, few of them do horizontal fine, but not the vertical one. But this is going to give me more stability in my videos, and also the horizontal and vertical form of the video, which is very important. And because I bought new iPhone, like iPhone 16, just to make make, you know, quality videos, but without lighting and microphone it is always difficult, because with the phone it is so hard to, you know, have everything in a package. But with this kit now I'm going to have everything in one place. I'm so excited. So next time when I make videos I will show you how it is working. So I'm so happy that we did the unboxing together. Let me know, you guys, how much excited you are to see my upcoming videos using this kit. Would be really helpful. I'm so excited as well. I believe my video quality in my phone going to be like really better and higher. Can't tell you guys how excited I am. I have used NEEWER products before. I still use NEEWER ring light. I'm so impressed with that. So I really trust the brand, and this is such a popular brand. Always now Anwar is helping me to fix this phone gauge kit, because he's the one who always fixes those things first. It is really so simple to fix, nothing much to do, everything is provided here, so it's really simple. These handles are attachable and detachable, so it is really good that when we travel we can carry them detached, so it doesn't take much space, and then we can fix it super easily when we are ready to shoot. It looks like the cage is almost ready now for a video shoot, and we are outdoor here today so that we can try it out together and see how it works. It is a very beautiful sunny afternoon in Toronto, and you see how easily Anwar is doing the video shoot. He actually loved this so much. Most of the shooting part is done by him, and he just after opening the box he was amazed to see this product, and he just thinks like this is so convenient. And I think that too, you can easily move your hand and have a lot more better control in filming, and I will be trying next. It makes a huge difference on holding the phone, and a lot better control, and so comfortable. Because it is manual, so everything is under control. Now I'm just waiting to add my light and microphone to it. It gives a really good grip to hold it, like holding the phone is not so convenient, but this is actually, you have your both hands using, so it helps really so much, a lot better to have better control and better stability for your videos. And also there are options where I believe you can attach your light and microphone here. So easy to grip. It is rubber, I think. It's something that helps to grip, and so comfortable to grip actually. And you can also attach your lighting system and also microphone, which is so convenient. So you just have your phone and everything attached together. So now I think this is a really good way to you know, make videos, vlogs for us. It will be so helpful, and I'm so glad that we found it, because this is going to be a game changer for our vlogs. Guys, this video ends here today. I hope you really enjoyed and found something very helpful, and you guys will check this out. I will mention all the details below in the description, and also the link of the product so you can easily find it. So this video ends here today. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.